Hello friends, welcome to the third video in the series of Dalit literature in my YouTube channel The World of Literature. Today I will talk about Dr. Baba Saheb Ambedkar's work Waiting for a Visa. The book highlights the harsh realities of caste-based oppression with a strong determination for fostering a sense of identity and pride and bringing a reform by inspiring the generation of Dalit writers to fight for justice and equality. So, the topic is Dr. Ambedkar's Waiting for a Visa, an autobiography of resistance and reform. Waiting for a Visa is a 20-page autobiography of Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar written in 1935 to 36 and first published posthumously, that is, after his death in 1990. The book gives vivid account of discrimination and humiliation faced by the Dalits in India. It shows how he resisted caste-based oppression using education and personal determination to fight against the injustice meted out to him. The book has 6 chapters. Chapter 1 describes the terrible experiences of his childhood. He recalls how he and his siblings were refused to meet his father, who was in different town on the grounds that they belonged to the untouchable. He was only 9 years old that time, but he felt extremely traumatized by such experience of discrimination. Chapter 2 gives a different dimension of the helplessness of the untouchable community. After completion of his studies in India and with lot of struggle and studies, he left for his postgraduate studies to Columbia University, New York, and London School of Economics. Thereafter, he returned to India in 1980 and experienced the same experience of discrimination. That is, when he was in England, he felt that all the people were treated as equals. But back in India, the same discrimination against him was there. So the stigma or being unwanted, even after being highly qualified, left an indelible mark on his mind. Chapter 3 deals with an incident where he met with a terrible accident. He needed to be transported from one bank of the river to another by the Tongawala. But he showed that means the Tongawala showed intolerance due to the caste system. This incident compelled us to grasp the severity of the problem which the Dalits had to suffer. Then, chapter 4, Dr. Ambedkar draws attention to the superstition of impurity and sinful contamination, where the Dalits were not supposed to touch any utensil of everyday use, nor drink water in the house of the upper caste. The picture shows the same reality. The person of the upper caste giving money to the lower caste with keeping lot of distance between his hand and their hands. These practices were very dangerous for the society and had to be eliminated. This was the major concern of Dr. Ambedkar. Chapter 5 unfolds yet another dreadful tale of injustice and corruption. He tells the incident of a Dalit school teacher who loses his wife during childbirth due to lack of medical attention. Their identity as Dalits prevent the doctor from attending the lady. Such practices of untouchability should not reign supreme over a medical practitioner's practice and code of conduct. Chapter 6 narrates the story of a Bhangi boy who was appointed as a patwari in the village. But then he was refused to work in the village due to his caste identity. People gave him alarming threats, and he was forced to leave his job and resettle elsewhere. The book, Waiting for the Visa, elaborates that the curse of untouchability and caste based discrimination have ruined the Dalit community for generations and continue to be the primary concern of Indian contemporary society. Dr. Ambedkar has described the evils of the caste system in India. Throughout the book, Dr. Ambedkar narrated incidents where he faced the problems of untouchability. He was denied water, couldn't drink water from a public tap in school because it would pollute the water, as it was supposed during that time. The Tangawala was not ready to take an untouchable in his Tonga, even though he was ready to pay the fare. Just think of few questions that can come to a mind. Have you ever been denied water when you were thirsty? What will you do if a doctor doesn't treat you or someone close to you? Will you stay silent or get enraged? What will you do if you are fired from a job? The incidents described in the book happened before 1940, but Dr. Baba Saheb Ambedkar painted the picture for the readers to understand how untouchability as a curse was prevalent in pre independent India. The title of the book suggests how, in a foreign country, one has to wait for a visa. Similarly, the Dalits are still waiting for acceptance not only from the Indian government but also from the society at large. Waiting for a Visa is a seminal work in Dalit literature and a key text in understanding Ambedkar's thoughts on social justice. It is a powerful account of resistance against caste system and testament to Ambedkar's fight for human rights and equality. Thanks, dear friends. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.